In recent months, we saw a huge impact and potential of play-to-earn crypto coins. Right now, we have more than 93 play-to-earn crypto coins. The entire phenomenon is very simple. For example, if you are holding any altcoin and you are going to play the game, for example, you are at level 1, and when you will pass the level 1, you will get some native altcoin as a reward. In this video, I am also going to share a play to earn project with all of you, and the best part that at this time they are giving some more reward. And the second thing, and that is the best thing about this altcoin, that it is a BEP20 altcoin, and one thing more, that it is in ICO mode. So if you are going to jump in this token right now, you will make some extra amount of money before the others. So stay tuned with us, because this coin will be huge, and as per my own idea, my own price prediction about this altcoin, that it will reach up to minimum 40x from the current price. Stay tuned.
Feel uninvited.
The cookie dot tokens are used for baking in the cookie factory ecosystem. It is a BEP20 token, and here you can see the contract address. You will be able to check the contract address on the main website, and I will share the link of the website in the description of this video. The name of this altcoin is Cookie Dough, and the ticker is DOUGH. So don't go for any scam token, because there are number of scam tokens with the same name. So you must have to check out the contract address before buying this altcoin from any other place. Right now, this token is in pre-sale mode. Here you can see the main website of the cookie factory. So how it will work and how the players will get the rewards. Players can earn the cookie dough token rewards that can be sold or used for future in-game purchases. It is a BEP20 token, and soon it will be listed on some known exchanges. Something more, each of the playable treats are jammed packed with daily and weekly rewards to participating the players. Special events are available to players who don't sell. These events will have the highest reward payout in the entire ecosystem. Now, how you can purchase this token, that is a big thing. But before that, what is the goal of the Cookie Dough team? Basically, the entire goal is to create the fun and unique games that reward the players for participation. The token will be launched with the Fortune Cookie game, which will reveal the fortune and reward the players. The Cookie Factory game will be released in 2022. The entire supply of this token is 9 billion, and only 6% for the dev wallet, 5% for the prize wallet, 3% for the marketing wallet, 2% yearly burn, and that is a huge thing, 50% burn on the launch. So when it is going to be launched, that is a big question. So when you are going to open the main website, here you can see the soft baker sale. If you are going to participate on the soft baker sale, you will get with 1 BNB around 800,000 dough tokens. But if you will miss this, then on the hard cap, the hard baker sale, at that time you will get with 1 BNB only 450,000 dough tokens. So it will be better that you have about 4 days left, from 13 of September 2021 up to 17 2021. Today is 13. No, we are jumping towards 14th of September. So still you have more than 3 days, and if you are going to participate with 1 BNB, you will be able to make at least 800,000 dough tokens. So if we are not going for a big jump, even if the coin, the date of the listing of this coin, so at that day even you will make about 4 to 5 BNB if you are going to invest only 1 BNB. But do your own research about this altcoin. Now, something more, to protect the launch day buyers, all baker sale tokens will be locked for 1 month. 60% of the baker's sale will be used to fund the liquidity for the cookie dough. The remaining 40% will be used for the marketing, social influencers, listing expenses. And as I told you, the team is going to list this altcoin on number of big exchanges. So when you will get the link in the description, simply you have to click on the baker's sale and then it will redirect you towards this page. Here you can see you have 3 days left and it's the best time for you to participate in the sale. First of all, you must have to download a MetaMask wallet with the Binance Smart Chain BSC. And then, for example, if I am going to buy it with 1 BNB, then you have to click over here and easily you can purchase this altcoin. And if you are going to participate in the hard bake, then again you have to do the same thing. Now, one thing more, how you can add this altcoin. Simply you have to copy this contract address, then you have to open the MetaMask, and after opening the MetaMask, here you can see the option add token. Simply enter the contract address and here you can see the option of the dough and also the token decimal. Simply click and then you have to click on the next and then click on the add tokens. Right now I have 0 dough tokens, but if you also want to participate in the airdrop, simply you can participate. It's also a good thing. Here you can see the free airdrop. How you will get it? Simply you have to click on the claim airdrop and then you have to add this token. Before that, right now I don't have as much BNB. Simply some amount of BNB, at least 0.00065 BNB has to be in your wallet to claim this airdrop. So the airdrop is entirely huge, and when the coin will be listed on some good exchanges, you will make some good amount of money with the help of this altcoin. Do follow them on the Telegram because every day they are sharing new things, and also you will get all the news about the latest games and some competitions which they are going to start very soon. So guys, overall the project is entirely good, and as per my own idea, if you are going to hold this altcoin, for example, for next 3 months, at least this project will give you up to 40 to 45x. What you think about the price idea of the dough token? Do let me know in the comment section, and do your own research before buying this altcoin, because I'm going to buy it because I like this project. The best part that if I'm going to take the entry in this altcoin right now, even when it will be in the pre-sale mode, I will make some good amount of money. Around if I am going to invest 1 BNB right now, my 1 BNB will become about 1.80 or 1.75 BNB in next 7 days. So when it will be listed on the exchanges, definitely my money will be triple in the size and also in the profit. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button. Thanks a lot.